Hello everyone, let's dive into the Jancane USB 3.0 switch, a handy little gadget designed to streamline your workspace. If you're juggling between two computers and a bunch of USB peripherals like a keyboard, mouse, printer, or scanner, this could be a game changer. The Jancane switch essentially lets you share 4 USB devices between two computers. Imagine having your keyboard, mouse, and printer connected to this switch, and with a simple press of a button, you can switch control between your work laptop and your personal desktop. No more constant plugging and unplugging. This is a huge time saver and declutters your desk. One of the standout features is its USB 3.0 support. It boasts a data transfer speed of up to 5 gigabits per second. Transferring large files from a USB drive to your computer is noticeably faster. It's also backward compatible with USB 2.0, so you don't have to worry about older devices. Compatibility is broad, supporting Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux. It's truly plug-and-play. No drivers are needed. Just connect the switch and you're ready to go. The one-button KVM switch and LED indicator make operation simple. A quick press of the button switches between computers, and the LED clearly shows which computer is currently in control. The Jancane USB 3.0 switcher includes a micro USB port for extra power. This is particularly useful if you're connecting high-power devices like external hard drives, USB cameras, or headphones. While the power adapter isn't included, the option to add external power ensures stable performance for demanding devices. The build quality seems decent. It's made of polycarbonate and feels reasonably sturdy. Its compact size means it won't take up much space on your desk. The Jancane USB 3.0 switch is a practical solution for anyone needing to share USB devices between two computers. Its fast transfer speeds, broad compatibility, and ease of use make it a worthwhile addition to any workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.